As the CEO of your company, the pressure to perform on you is higher than ever in a challenging and continuously changing business environment. So some of the things that CEOs deal with are flatter organizations, fast pace of change, technological advancements, difficulty in both attracting and retaining good talent, globally diverse workforce, changing customer demands, global competition in a connected world. These are some of the many challenges facing the CEO, you of course. So these factors keep the CEOs awake at night, worrying about their current growth and profitability and future sustainability in a VUCA and constantly changing world. So who does the CEO ask for help? At the lower rungs of the corporate ladder, executives have a boss to fall back to and ask for help or advice, to decide the strategic direction, to give advice, to motivate, to guide. When a CEO needs guidance, motivation, clarity, maybe even reflection, who does he or she go for help? The answer most of the time is no one. Any CEO is expected to portray confidence and competence, and a CEO cannot admit of being unsure, having doubts without consequences. The team members or stakeholders may judge the CEO as being weak, indecisive, or incompetent. In addition, CEOs are constantly bombarded with urgent issues. The demand for CEOs' time and attention is relentless. It just never stops. So they live in an environment of permanent urgency. So it is not unusual for a CEO to get into reactive mode, constantly doing things. They hardly have time to take a pause, reflect, and think. So it's a paradox that the one person who probably has the most significant impact on the company's growth, profitability, sustainability, and employees' well-being cannot ask for help for himself or herself. CEOs often lose sleep at night considering and reconsidering their own decisions and the consequences of those decisions on so many people. So it is lonely at the top. It's often true for CEOs where they have to fight their own battles silently and without asking anyone for help. Unfortunately, the CEOs are also human and they need help also. So what do they need? They need a space for reflection, which is safe, reevaluation of what they are doing and how they can improve. So as a CEO, can you use the help of a reflection of a coach? Think of any sport, football, tennis, basketball, anything. Every top player in any of these sports has a coach. In fact, they wouldn't dream of doing it on their own. What does the coach do? The coach provides an external perspective. He supports, she challenges, and reinforcement to sustain continuous high performance. So CEO coaching provides a respite from the world of constant noise, distraction, impressions, and whatnot. CEO coaching is where the leader can calm down, distance from the urgent, think, prioritize, focus, and get back into proactive mode. So here's an opportunity to get the perspective and support of the peer CEOs and an executive coach through the CEO Masterclass. What is the CEO Masterclass? It is a 6-week CEO development program. It is facilitated by an executive coach. It is open only to CEOs and you get the support, wisdom, and tap into the experience of peer CEOs, and in turn you get to share your experience with them. So here are some details of the CEO Masterclass. The CEO Masterclass would be facilitated by me, an executive coach. So a little bit about me. I have coached over 300 senior leaders across 4 continents. And recently, People Hum magazine recognized me as top 100 global leadership influencers to follow. So I'm humbled and honored to be on that list. I am passionate about developing leaders and I want to help you to become a better version of you, because what got you at this level will not take you to the next. The CEO Masterclass is an immersive experience for 6 weeks. It is based on the feed-forward process designed by world's #1 leadership thinker. Can you guess his name? Well, he's Dr. Marshall Goldsmith. The process has been used to coach over 150 of the Fortune 500 CEOs and worldwide over 250,000 senior leaders on 6 continents. So this process has a success rate of 95% and you get the exact same process for you. So here's what is included in the 6-week masterclass. 6 weekly live learning sessions of about 90 minutes each. 6-week access to a scientifically designed platform, the benefits of which are listed below on this page, so you can take a look at it. I don't want to talk about them in details. A community of CEO participants and the executive coach. Interaction, accountability, and support from the other CEO participants who will be taking this journey with you. Leverage the feed-forward methodology for rapid leadership growth for you as a CEO. What are the benefits? Understand and leverage your strengths. On the other hand, know your improvement areas and work on them. What's next? Get perspectives from peer CEOs and tap into their knowledge and wisdom. So if you have 10 CEOs, you get to tap into their wisdom. Get the expertise and help from the executive coach, which would be me. Today's VUCA, volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous business environment creates both threats and opportunities. So as a CEO, are you playing offense or defense? Is your focus on merely surviving, or are you planning to thrive and take your leadership and your business to the next level? Is your own leadership capable and ready to exploit, let's say, the opportunities that come along and to avoid the threats that are all along? So if you are ready to take your CEO effectiveness and business performance to the next level, then you have to enroll in the CEO Masterclass. So in fact, we are so confident that you will love the CEO Masterclass that we give you an unconditional 100% money back guarantee anytime during the 6 weeks, up to the end of 6 weeks of this program. So we are so confident. So enroll now before slots fill out, and I will see you in the CEO Masterclass.